Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, but before I get into the actual product and show you what I'm going to review and test and tutorial, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, then don't forget to give it a massive thumb up, because it tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like, and the video can go around and it's all good news. So definitely give it that massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to tazwells12, then please come and join the little love family. I know a lot more of you have come and joined, but it's very easy to join if you haven't. You can go on my main page, hit the subscribe button, and then you subscribe to my YouTube channel and journey. There's a bell notification button there, which if you hit that too or click it, that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video, and you can see it there and then, or be notified when the video has been uploaded. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just what I've kind of brought, what I liked, what I saw, advice video for you guys. So yeah, it's not sponsored in any way. Comment down below if you like anything in the video, or you dislike, or you want to give me feedback. Let me know down below. I will 100% like your comment and comment back to you every single time. Please check out my other two social medias on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is kind of like my normal day-to-day fashion, maybe, or something I've done like over the weekends or the weeks. And then you've got tazwells12 home, which is my home account. So that could be like anything I got from a charity shop, or car boot sale, or just bought out of a normal shop. So yeah, check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that would be great. Now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. It's going to be a little good video. I'm hoping it's going to be good, because I've got two different sort of products, but the same but different. I'm going to review, test and tutorial these. So this is going to be a little bit hard, but I can kind of tell you what sort of the textures are going to be like. I'm going to try and do one side and one the other, and maybe they're going to be the same, but they've got different things that we're going for. So the first one that we've got here, these are from last year, which are from ALDI. These are meant to be the dupes of the Urban Decay ones. I picked up both because I think they were about £6 at the time I picked them up. So this one is the long lasting setting spray, and it's quite a big bottle. It's nice purple, all plastic, nice packaging, like this marble pastel design. There's 110 ml in here. Quite a good little thing. So this one says Lacier makeup setting spray, maximize the staying power of your makeup. This setting spray formula mists on easily and prevents makeup from fading and transferring. Perfect for the just applied makeup look all day long. And then it tells you how to apply it, but I pretty know how much to apply setting spray. If you don't apply setting spray to your makeup after, a lot of people used to do hairspray. That's the really old school like little version, and then obviously the makeup industry came out with this setting spray, because obviously that's a bit dangerous to put in your face, but that's what people used to do, and I think I have done it a couple of times. But if you don't use setting spray after you finish your makeup, then you need to look into it, because it does change your game. Like, especially if you do a really like nice eye look, it doesn't make any of that run, or in your foundation. If you get the right ones, perfect. I've got some other ones that I really do use. I've got like a lower one and a higher one. They're really good, but I wanted to try these because they were meant to be dupes. The other one I got is Mattifying makeup setting spray, 110 ml. It's got a purple sort of marble design on it, and this one's more of a pinky. Is this one any different? Oh, this one has got a different one. So this says Lacier Make It Matte Spray, maximize the staying power of your makeup, freshens the skin, and contains caroline to help absorb oil and shine throughout the day. Formulated with something I cannot pronounce, which is vitamin E, aloe leaf juice, and sodium hydration. This setting spray will help condition your skin so it feels refreshed and moisturized. Both do two different things, but like I said, I'm going to try one this side and one that side, and we can see what they're going to be like. Firstly, what I'm going to do is I've already sort of put a foundation on my skin, but what I'm going to do firstly before we try these setting sprays is put some powder on, because I definitely want to try putting the powder on the foundation and then trying the setting spray, because that's how you would finish like my skin makeup. So I'm going to try and do that. So one I'm going to use is the I Heart Revolution, the banana scented baking powder. Really love these. I've got the coconut one too. The scent's pretty much gone, but you can smell it the odd time, but really good. These were only like a £5 and they are really good powders. And then the brush I'm going to use is Spectrum A01 brush, which is this big fluffy brush, just so I can go all over the face. Just going to put that on a time lapse and then we'll be back to do the sprays. Everything is powdered up. It's like a little bit more matte now. I think what I'm going to do is try the pinky one this side and the purple one this side. So let's get these open, because I have not tried these at all, so I'm really super excited to try these and see what they're like, because I've literally bought both of them. Well, that's quite a good price, isn't it? £6 for like a little dupe. So they are really big bottle. A horrible little sticky thing on the bottom. Let's get that off in a minute. I want to see, I always give them a shake, always give them a shake. And also my other little contraption is this fan that I actually got from a destination when I went on holiday. This is the best thing, because when you put setting spray on, it literally, you could go and literally fan it out. So like I said, I'm going to try this one this side. I'm going to try and get it this side of my face, if that makes sense, and then the other one the other side, and see if they do literally the same or different things. Give it a good shake. I'm going to give it a spray first. Oh, okay, it's a really fine mist, so that's really good. Oh, I don't know. I'll say about that in a minute, actually. So I'll do that first. Oh, it's making me wet, like proper soapy. Which is fine, because I've got this. Oh my god, I'm getting it everywhere. Okay, that's that one, that side. Yeah, that feels pretty good at the moment, that one. And then we'll go for this one. So that felt really nice, but the spray, as you saw, like literally hit my face. Have to be a little bit careful, and I can only go what my arm's length in. This is the other one. Right, we'll give this a shake again. And then we'll give it... Oh, that one's really thin. Hang on. And I'm just going to have to try and get it as far as possible and then go... Oh, right, okay. If you like finely mist setting sprays, then please do not go for these, because they literally wet you. Probably I'm having a little hard time because I'm trying to film it at the same time, but they are literally... Oh, I don't even know where the sprayer is now. Okay, I think we've got a good amount on here anyway. This fan is a lifesaver. Oh yeah. Right. That one is a little bit, still a little bit drying, because it did literally soak me. Spray on these, like I said, if you like a fine mist spray, it's not maybe for you. And also they did have like a scent. This one had like a, when I first done it, it had like a floral scent, but I can't smell it really now. And this one kind of had more of a fruity floral scent, which is kind of weird. But to be honest, I can't really tell if they're any different, if that makes sense. Setting spray is a little bit hard to see. It's more the fact of doing a video like this for setting spray. It's very hard. It depends what you like, it depends what you're looking for. If I went out the whole day and maybe tried these, it would be a little bit different. So maybe if I tried these, put these on, and then went out for like a whole day and then they didn't settle my makeup, then I'd probably be like, okay, they're not really working for me. But to the fact that I'm trying to do it in like a video and show you as quickly as possible, it's a little bit hard. But at the moment, that feels okay. It feels a little bit tacky here, like, but apparently this bit all here feels all right, to be fair, because I give it a good cover. It feels like it's like sort of like captured the makeup. Just here where I kind of maybe missed the middle of my face because I did one each side. I don't think they're bad. I don't think they're good. So I'll come back in 2 minutes and take my hair down. I kind of don't know what rating to give these. I think I might give them a maybe, because one, I don't really know how they work for the full day. Like I said, I've only done like it in a short little video for you guys. What is probably best for me to do is when I do a really full-on makeup look for a day, is maybe like try them then and then see if they work, because I feel like it did work here because it feels very, very smooth, but I didn't get everywhere, and that's where there's little bits of tackiness, and I think this could have been like good in that way. But because I was trying to do it, you guys, I normally would just go like that, so it would cover everything. I think what I'm going to do is put them in a maybe at the moment, and then try them when I've done like a proper makeup look with my eyes and everything, like if I'm going out for the day or somewhere, and try them proper and then see what they're like then, because I feel like I feel that it could work. I don't know if they're a dupe for the Urban Decay. I've just heard that they could be, because I've not tried the Urban Decay one. I've got a MAC one and I've got one from Revolution that I absolutely love, but I've never tried the Urban Decay one. If you think they're like the Urban Decay one and you've tried the Urban Decay one and you've tried this one, then please let me know about down below, because that would be great. But yeah, my final verdict for them is probably a maybe. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on 2 different products that were from LACURA, which is from ALDI, and one of them was the makeup setting spray, and this is a long lasting one, and then also we have the mattifying makeup setting spray too. Like I said, my edit was a maybe because I need to try them out on a full sort of full-on makeup look for the day. At the moment they are a maybe. It has come to the end of the video. If you do like the product, the advice, or anything I did give in this video, then definitely make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. Tell me that you like it, then it tells me other people like it, and I can bring more and other people can watch. So definitely give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to tazwells12 and the YouTube journey and the love family by hitting the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification button too if you want to be notified of a new upload. Comment down below if you like anything on the video, and 100% comment back to you and like comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I have mentioned. This is just out of my own money and an advice video for you guys, so yeah, it's not sponsored at all. Check out my other social medias on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Like I said, this has come to, unfortunately, to the end. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.